How do you make money online as a ClickFunnels affiliate? So my name is Jelena Ostrovska from JelenaOstrovska.com and welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you are here. If you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by hitting the bell sign down below. And in this video, we're talking all about affiliate marketing. We're talking all about how to make money as a ClickFunnels affiliate. So if you know me, or maybe you don't, you are watching this video for the very first time from me. I have been a major fan of ClickFunnels. I have been an affiliate for some time, and I have been a user for, at this point, for over a year, for more like a year and a half. And it took me a lot to actually start promoting the program itself. So I want to share with you a couple of tips and a couple of pointers that are really going to help you out when it comes to being a successful affiliate and actually, you know, having people sign up with you and stick with you as a customer long term. And let's just dive right into it. Step number one is you have to choose an affiliate offer that you are going to be promoting. So Russell Brunson is obviously a marketing genius, and he has so many different offers inside of the ClickFunnels affiliate back office. Some of them are ClickFunnels, obviously. I'm personally promoting it as I'm a user, and I love recommending it to other business owners when it comes to creating funnels, because I think that's the go-to software. The other thing is there is One Funnel Away challenge, which I'm a huge fan of. I've participated in it. You can check out the review if you do want to go through it, if it's even worth it. So I did a review earlier on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out as well. And you know, I think that's a good offer for you to sell if you are just a beginner online. If you have no idea what your offer is going to be, I personally feel like it's a great one to start off with because it's already done for you. It's already proven to convert, and it works like a charm. And a lot of people just start off by promoting the One Funnel Away challenge because it does have different upsells. Okay, so it does have upsell into funnel secrets, I believe, like a high-end program. There is an upsell for obviously ClickFunnels because that's what we're using throughout the challenge. There are different upsells into Funnel Scripts, which is a software that writes the copywriting for you. And if you're curious about any of those, I'm going to attach some links down below for you in the description box, so feel free to check those out. Those are affiliate links. So you can also promote the books, right? So books are also good ways for you to promote something for your audience. Some of them are DotCom secrets, obviously the first one. The second one is the expert secrets. And the third one that came out recently is Network Marketing Secrets. I think there is another book called Freelancer Secrets. I think Julie Stoyan is the author of that. So if you're a freelancer, I think that's going to be one of the offers that does make sense for you to promote. So choose one or two, maximum three. Personally, there is One Funnel Away challenge, so I always recommend promoting that because it's personally a no-brainer in my opinion, as much as I don't like using this term. But it is such a good offer, it is such a great challenge, and the content, it is well worth $100. It's actually worth way more in my opinion, because you basically condense 12 months of education into 30 days, a little bit more. But in my opinion, it's amazing, and if you're just starting out online, this is an amazing opportunity for you to learn and also promote. Step number two, and I have actually learned this secret from One Funnel Away challenge, and I think it's brilliant. So if you're just going to be promoting somebody else's offer, Russell's in this case, something like affiliate marketing, like we're talking about right now, if you're just going to be promoting that, how are you actually going to stand out among other affiliates? Okay? Not really. I mean, if you promote network marketing, affiliate marketing, just promoting that one product is not enough, because you have to figure out what is my unique selling proposition. What is it that people are going to get if they sign up with me versus the other guy? And I think that that's really something that's going to make you stand out. And I've learned this from Steven Larson, who has been one of the coaches inside of One Funnel Away challenge, and he said you have to create an offer on top of an existing offer. Okay, so basically what you're doing is and there's a process to this madness. Okay, so first of all, you think about, okay, so this is the offer, this is, let's just use One Funnel Away challenge. So when people sign up, you have to ask yourself, and you have to make a list of the problems that are going to come up for people when they sign up for the challenge, right? So, and there's so many, right? So with every single purchase that we make, with every single product that we buy, there's always going to be more problems that come up. And they can be bad problems, they can be good problems. So in the case of One Funnel Away Challenge, there's obviously an upsell for ClickFunnels because we are working on a funnel, right? So, and ClickFunnels make it super easy. They share a funnel that is basically pre-made for you, so they make it easy for you. And they also make it easy for you to sign up for ClickFunnels, which is an upsell, right? So that's their bonus, right? Which it's actually a paid bonus, but still. So the other thing is, what can you offer to your people? Okay, so you think, okay, so they are going to be building a funnel. Can you offer them a little bit of a one-on-one guidance? Can you offer them some extra templates? One thing that I've personally actually noticed, which I am likely going to be offering myself, is I know that inside of the funnel, in the One Funnel Away Challenge, they don't really offer any kind of emails, any kind of email sequences, which you have to go and find them elsewhere or write them yourself or hire a copywriter. So what I have been considering doing has been actually writing the templates myself and giving them away to my people. So that's just an extra bonus that I think off the top of my head. So think about it. What are the top 3 or 4 or 5 problems that my people are going to have when they sign up for this offer? And that's how you create bonuses. And people do sign up because of the bonuses. In fact, I had a lot of choices when it came to signing up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. There have been so many people that have been promoting that, and I signed up with one guy in particular who did give really, really good bonuses, and I was like, okay, give it all to me. So that's how you become that's how people become top affiliates, because of the bonuses, because there's an offer on top of another offer. Just some ideas off the top of my head, some extra things that you can do. If you're just starting out, you may consider doing some one-on-one coaching or some strategy sessions with people that sign up with you in any kind of offer. Although that is not really scalable, that is not something that you want to do long-term. I've used this kind of bonus before in affiliate marketing. I've done crazy bonuses like done for you website setup, which I will never do ever again in my entire life, because that is a lot of hard work. So do not do anything crazy. You can do something like a Facebook group for your people. You can set up a group chat where they get personalized access to you. You can offer them one-on-one support through chat, or like I said, you can set up a group chat. You can offer extra Zoom Q&A sessions. You can offer different templates. I will say people love done for you stuff. Okay, so if you can give them something that's going to make their lives easier, that's going to be a no-brainer for them to sign up with you. Step number 3, start building your audience. So if you are brand new online, you just came across ClickFunnels, or you just came across this video, or you have gone through One Funnel Away Challenge, or you're about to start going through it, the thing is, we as entrepreneurs or as beginner entrepreneurs, we do not have an audience. So a lot of the times we all come from different backgrounds, we all have different experiences. So I come from a background of just having a high school diploma. I do not have a college degree. I never had a job, so I don't have a big enough network for me to promote it across my warm audience, right? So in your case, maybe you are, let's say, a fitness expert. Maybe you have your own gym and you have your own, friends who are also, let's say, gym owners, and maybe you have a franchise, and you have other people that are in a similar field that you are in. So in this case, it is going to be very simple for you to promote it across your people. Actually, one of my friends who I've met through One Funnel Away Challenge, he is a gym owner, and he's been looking to expand, and a lot of his friends who are also into gym and fitness, they have been signing up for the One Funnel Away Challenge and then expanding their business and trying to automate more through ClickFunnels. So in that case, yes, you can kind of rely on your warm market, but at the same time, do look for ways to build your audience online. And if you're somebody who is like, I do want to promote ClickFunnels, I do want to learn affiliate marketing, I do want to learn how to do this and showcase, teach other people how to do that as well, start with Facebook. I feel like Facebook is going to be one of the most simple organic ways how you can build your audience, because if I compare Facebook and YouTube does take a lot of time and it's not going to be immediate. It's not going to put immediate cash into your pockets, but Facebook is much easier to grow because there's other Facebook groups, there's other Facebook business pages. It's so simple to connect with people. You can connect with other group owners. You can connect with them and, work out different promotions and shout outs and stuff like that, so you build each other audiences up. And a Facebook group is the place where you can talk about affiliate marketing all day long. It's not something that I do recommend doing on your personal profile, just because Facebook will shut you down eventually. I've seen this happen to big industry leaders, and I know it can happen to you as well, so I'm giving you a warning. So start teaching what you're learning. Go watch a training from Russell, go watch training from ClickFunnels back office. If you sign up for ClickFunnels, there are trainings on how to set up a funnel, how to do this, how to do that. There's so much stuff in the affiliate back office. There is a 100-day affiliate bootcamp as well, so you can check that out. There is a summit all about affiliate marketing, so you'll learn something from other people. Take notes, start teaching it. Okay, so start doing this in your Facebook group. Start focusing on growing that Facebook group. In the beginning, you do have to do a lot yourself, but then it's going to be a little bit easier where Facebook starts giving you more exposure to your group, and eventually it will grow organically. But in the beginning, you do have to put in that extra time, effort, and attention to the group before it actually starts, taking off. And like I've mentioned earlier, be sure to go and network in other Facebook groups. So I'm a very active person in the ClickFunnels community. I'm a very active person in so many different other Facebook groups, and I personally feel like you can learn a lot from the groups yourself. You can also contribute to the groups and build your audience this way, and it's all about, in my opinion, really networking with other people, meeting other people in the same field who are trying to accomplish similar goals, or who are maybe like a little bit like one level behind you, that are trying to learn. And that way you are going to attract a lot of business owners or aspiring business owners that will become your ClickFunnels affiliates eventually. Step number 4 is, I feel like this is so imperative these days: go live. So I can't stress it enough. You have to be publishing content. I've already talked about it briefly, but the one thing that you do have to do, in my opinion, especially if you're going to go down the Facebook group route, you do have to be going live in that group. That's how you're really going to build and nurture that community. That's what's going to really allow you to grow that group at a much rapid rate. And it's just going to be so hard if you do not go live inside of the group, because it's going to feel impersonal, in my opinion. And I know so many group owners and admins that have massive Facebook groups and giant followings. They all go live, even if they don't go live at this point when they have, like, I don't know, 20,000 people and above in their group. They did do it in the beginning. In one way or the other, they are going to be showing up in front of their audience, and you should do that as well. And here's something extra that I think you can do, which I've been working on that as well myself, is you have to give people a reason why they're going to join your Facebook group, right? So because there's so many other groups out there, why would you stand out? You have to give something extra. So in my opinion, you can set up some sort of mini course where people join and there's a step-by-step program they go through. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. It doesn't have to be $1,000 course or anything like that. And it just has to be something that people will go through, take action. They will be really glad that they joined your group because they have already gotten so much value. And you can structure your course in the unit section inside of the group. You can promote your affiliate offers there as well. You can promote the DotCom secrets in those videos. You can promote the One Funnel Away challenge in those videos. Do not record those videos without any sort of intention. Everything you do online has to be intentional. Every single piece of content you create has to be intentional, right? So in every single video that you create there, that you structure into a mini course, for example, it can be 5, 7, 10 videos. You can structure them into different sections, so it's easier for people to go through all of them. And put in descriptions, give people all the links they need to go and buy through your affiliate link. And as your group grows, as people start noticing, oh, there's a free course, I can check it out, and then they're going to be watching it, and then there's going to be your links, your affiliate links that people can go in and buy through you. And step number 5 is rinse and repeat. There is nothing that beats consistency, in my opinion. So you do have to stick to the process. Just because you haven't made any money in 30 days doesn't mean that you're not going to make any in the next 6 months. You do have to stick to the process. You do have to be consistent with every single step. You do have to give yourself the time, and do not ever compare yourself to somebody else's journey, because their journey is way different. They have different connections, they may even live in a different area that gives them more opportunities and more connections. And do not ever compare your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 20. So just focus on those 4 steps, 5 steps actually, that I've outlined in this video, and I'm sure it's going to help you out a lot. So without any further ado, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the extra videos right here. And I do highly recommend for you to sign up for One Funnel Away Challenge. I am going to put a link down below for the review that I did on the One Funnel Away Challenge. So in my opinion, it's going to be one of the best investments you're going to make. And it's going to help you cut your learning curve so much, especially if you have been wondering what kind of offers I need to create, how do I promote it, how do I succeed as an affiliate, how do I promote myself, how do I build my audience. This is going to help you tremendously, so I highly recommend doing that. So without any further ado, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for my videos by hitting the bell sign, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.